Hello, children. A very good morning to you all. Welcome back to the next session of online class. Today's memory verse is I can do all things through him who gives me strength. So, I can do all things through him who gives me strength means whatever we want to do, everything we can do through God. Philippians 4:13. Okay, and let's go to a lesson mathematics term 3. We have successfully finished unit 1 geometry, and I hope you all copied the classworks also. So in geometry we have learned what is a straight line, curved line, straight line, curved and straight line. We have learned about diagonal. Diagonal is the line joining opposite corners of a geometrical shape. This is called diagonal. And then we have seen for the cube how many sides, edges, corners and diagonals will be there for cuboid, for cylinder, cone and sphere. And we have learned how to draw the 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. And we have learned what is tangram. Tangram is nothing but a Chinese puzzle made of a square divided into 7 pieces, one parallelogram, one square and 5 triangles. Okay, so here triangles 1 2 3 4 5 triangles are there, one square is there and one parallelogram. This is the basic structure of a tangram. Through this we can make different shapes of animals or anything, many designs we can make. Okay, see here tangram: rocket, dancing girl, horse, everything we can make. Next thing we have learned about tessellation. Tessellation is nothing but when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gap or overlap. So with that we have finished tessellation, first lesson. And the second lesson, unit 2, is numbers. So this is little bit bigger but very easy only. In numbers already we have learned in the before terms addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here we are going to learn division. Division is otherwise called as equal sharing and repeated subtraction. Equal sharing and repeated subtraction, that is nothing but division. Okay, see here very carefully. Kabilan had 30 mangoes and wanted to share them among 5 of his friends. So he has 30 mangoes and he wanted to share them among 5 friends. So let us see the way he shared the one by one mangoes equally among his friends. See here number of steps. Number of mangoes with Kabilan 30. F1, F2, F means friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, friend 5. Number of mangoes remaining. Okay, the first step 30 mangoes. Okay, 30 mangoes are there. So 30 mangoes are there here. So friend 1, he is sharing 1 mango. Friend 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1. So after sharing 30 among 30 mangoes, one mango he has given to all the friends, and total 25 mangoes are remaining. And in step 2 totally we have 25 mangoes. Again he is sharing one mango to each friend, and after sharing one mango, 20 mangoes are remaining. So step 3, 20 mangoes, he is sharing again one mango to each friend. Now 15 mangoes are remaining. After sharing again this 15 mangoes to 1, 10 mangoes are remaining. Again in step 5, 10 mangoes, among the 10 mangoes he is sharing one mango to each friend. Now 5 mangoes are remaining. Now this 5 mangoes he shared again to 5 of his friends. Now 0 mangoes are remaining. So totally each friend how many mango they got? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 mangoes each friend got. So how many steps total is? 6 steps. right? And the number of mangoes remained at the last, 0 mangoes. So number of steps, 6 steps. Okay. So this is the way each friend got 6 mangoes. So equally he has shared. Now in the express line, see, this is the number line from 0 to 30. 30 mangoes are there. So 5 friends. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way. 30 minus 5, 30 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. So totally how many minus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Then only it is coming 0. So 6 steps it is coming. Okay. So this is the repeated subtraction statement. Next thing, see here. Kabilan distributed 30 mangoes among 5 of his friends by giving them 1 mango in each step. Thus each friend has got 6 mangoes. Now imagine Kabilan has to share this 30 mangoes among 10 of his friends. Now how many friends are there? 10 friends are there. So friend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like till 10. Okay, step 1, 30 mangoes. 1, 1, 1 he gave to each friend. So totally 20 are remaining. Now with this 20 he is sharing 1, 1 again to each friend. Now 10 are remaining. Now with this 10 again he is sharing 1, 1 to each. Now 0 are remaining. So totally 3 steps, 0 at the last. So how many each friend got? How many mangoes? 3 mangoes. So total number of steps, 3 steps. And the number line will be, see 10 friends, no? So 10, 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps. 30 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10. So 3 times 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. This time Kabilan has shared 30 mangoes among 10 of his friends in 3 steps. Each friend got 3 mangoes. This is the way we have to do. Okay. Now this is, see, suppose Kabilan has to share the mangoes among 15 of his friends. How many mangoes would each of them get? So if Kabilan has to share the mangoes among 15 of his friends, how many mangoes would each of them get? How many steps would he require to share the mangoes among them? So here, see here. So step 1, how many mangoes totally? 30 mangoes. See, 30 mangoes he is sharing 1, 1 to 15 friends. Now how many will be remaining? 15 will be remaining. After that step 2, 15. Now he is sharing 1, 1 to each, and finally 0 will be remaining. So how many mangoes each friend got? 2 mangoes each friend got. Okay, so 2 mangoes each friend got, and finally mangoes remaining 0 mangoes. How many steps? 2 steps. So the number line will be from here to 15, from 15 to 30. So 30 minus 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. So Kabilan shared 30 mangoes among 15 of his friends in 2 steps, and each friend got 2 mangoes. Okay, this is the way we have to. Okay children, so the next thing, see, if we see, let us summarize the above 3 examples as follows. 30 mangoes equally shared among 5 friends got 6 mangoes in the first thing, and second 10 friends got 3 mangoes each, and the last 15 friends got 2 mangoes each. So we can write this as 30 divided by 5, the first point. Okay, this one. So 30 divided by 5, so totally he got 6 mangoes each. And the next one, 30 divided by 10. So 3 mangoes got 3. 30 divided by 15, 2 mangoes, they got 2. Okay. So this is the way division we can do. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Okay. Equal sharing is mathematically called as division, and division is denoted by the symbol this one. Okay. By the symbol 1 dash and up 1 dot, down 1 dot. Okay. The division fact is 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. So here 30 is dividend, 5 is divisor, 6 is quotient. The answer is called quotient. Okay. So today's assignment is, let us see another example. 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Here 8 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient. So now we will complete this table. See here, total number of balloons to be shared. 8 balloons are there totally. Number of baskets, 4 baskets like this. See, first example we will see equal sharing. See, 4 baskets we have to draw and 8 balloons should be there. So how many balloons? 8 balloons and 4 baskets. So how many it will be coming? 2 balloons in each basket it is coming. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so totally number of balloons in each basket, 2 balloons. So 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Okay, the same way this one also, 8 number of baskets, 2 baskets should be there. So 1, 2, so each basket 4 balloons will be coming. Okay, so number of balloons in each basket 4. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Okay, the same way try to do this 3 also. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Do this assignment and send me through WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you.